Let's get started in enabling Braintree in Wix. Log into your Wix dashboard and select the website that you want to edit. Make sure that the category of website that you create in Wix has e-commerce or shopping cart functionalities, so that the options that I'm about to guide you through are available in your dashboard as well. On the far left menu, click on Settings towards the bottom. Then we will click on Accept Payments. At the bottom left, click on See More Payment Options, and then we want to scroll all the way down to a section titled Third-Party Debit Credit Card Providers, and to the far right, click on See Options. Find the Braintree option, and to the right of that, click on Connect. Lastly, find your Braintree API credentials along with your Braintree merchant account ID and place them in their respective fields. You can find these credentials in your Braintree account by clicking on the gear icon at the top right and clicking API for the first 3 credentials, and also on the business option to obtain the merchant account ID. I already have mine copied, so I'm going to click on this first one here and just paste the merchant ID, then the public key, then the private key, and lastly, my merchant account ID. The final step is to click on Connect. Once you're connected, that should be the last step. My Wix account asks me to upgrade, and you'll see other places it asks to upgrade up top here and here, but keep in mind these are prompts from Wix. If your account already has payment services, you won't see this. And that's it. We have now successfully enabled Braintree in Wix.